Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to deploy your Golang application on Heroku. So Heroku is a platform as a service that enables developers to build, run and operate application directly in cloud. It also supports many languages, Node.js, Ruby, Java, Python and Golang and many more. So first of all we should sign up and have a Heroku account. You can simply go, it's free, and just sign up. You will ask for first name, last name, email address and then create an account. After creating an account, the next thing that you would require is the Heroku command line. So there are two ways of creating your application. One is through the command line and another is through the Heroku dashboard. But I would suggest you to use Heroku command line as it makes it easy to create and manage your Heroku application directly from the terminal. So go to this URL and then download the terminal, the command line as per your machine. So just click on the installer and then install it. It's really easy. I won't do it because I already have done it. So after installing the command line, next thing is that we have to deploy a project. So go to your directory. I'm already into my project directory. I have this simple hello world project. So let me show you. This is a simple Golang server. I have used net HTTP to send a GET request on /port, which in turn prints the string hello world. The only thing that you have to take care into your Golang code is that the port number. You do not need to hard code the port number into your application, but you have to pick it through the environment variable. So just make use of os get and get env port. So it will pick the port number directly from your Heroku environment, and that is all that you have to take care into your code. And then next thing that we have to do is now we have to manage our dependencies for the project. So we make use of Go modules for it. It is the official way of managing the dependencies in Golang. So go to your command line into your project directory and run this command, go mod init. It will initialize the Go module in your project directory, and then let me show you the module. Here we have the Go mod. So let me show you what it is there inside it. It contains the Golang version, and it will also contain any of the third-party web framework or third-party libraries that you have used into your project. But as you can see that all the libraries that I've used here are the inbuilt, so it is not been listed down there. And the next thing that you would require is a vendor. So we have to also vendor our project. So for vendoring the project, run this command, vendor. As I already said that I don't have any external dependencies, so there won't be any vendor directory into my project directory, but I'm sure that you would be having some of the external dependencies, so please do run this command as well. Now we are all good. The next thing that we have to do is initialize the Git repository into our project. So just initialize the Git repository and then stage the changes, git add dot, and then we have to commit it. My Heroku application. And now we have to log into our Heroku command line. If you not have done it so far, just run this command, Heroku login, and then it says press any key, hit enter to proceed. It will redirect you to your default browser where you can go and log in. Just click login. It will ask for your username and password. Since I am already logged in, it says it redirects me to the logged in page, but it will ask you for the password and the username. Just hit in your password and username, and then you will all good to go and return back to your command line. And now we have to create our Heroku application. So it's a simple command. Just go there and enter Heroku create. So it will create your application and will assign a endpoint to you. So this is our endpoint. You can see this. Here is our endpoint, and now we have to push our project on Heroku. So git push Heroku master, and then hit enter. It is see, it seems to be a spelling mistake. Git push Heroku master, and it is this just simple command that will stage all the changes onto your Heroku branch and would deploy it for you, would install all the dependencies and everything, and then will assign a endpoint to you as well. So it takes couple of minutes, depends upon the size of your project. If your project is big, it would take approximately couple of minutes, I think. So now it is all done, and this is our project. So this is our endpoint. So let us see whether our project is up and running or not. We can send a get request to our project and see the response. As you can see, this is our response that I showed you, hello world. You can also go onto your browser and hit that same URL. Wait. So this was our URL. Just copy it and you can hit it there and see your project up and running really fine. So hey guys, so this is how you deploy your Golang application on Heroku.